What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds crash after TU2 update and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into step one by one. So the first one, if you're having the trouble with this particular game, just follow this instruction which is going to work. The first one, we need to make few changes in the NVIDIA control panel. So for me, I'm having the NVIDIA control panel. For some users, this might be AMD Radeon software, so it depends on a GPU. So in my case, right click and I have to go to show more options, go to the NVIDIA control panel. Once I get into the NVIDIA control panel, what I need to do is just go to the manage 3D settings. Now from here, I have to scroll down and navigate to shader. Over here, you can see the shader cache size. By default, this has been set into driver default, so I have to change this one to disable. And once I change this to the disable, I have to go over here, search for the run command and press enter. This time I need to type clean mgr and go for OK. Now I need to select the local disk C, go for OK. And over here I have to uncheck download program files, temporary internet files, and I have to scroll down thumbnail. And only I have to select this DirectX shader cache. That is what I need to select. And once afterwards, I have to go for OK. So what happens is it is going to delete all the shader cache files. So once the delete is successfully done, we are fine with it and we need to make few more changes. That is all about. Just right click over here and go to the show more options. Click on the NVIDIA control panel once again, and the shader cache size from disable, it should be either change into 100 GB or unlimited. You can keep for 100 GB, that is fine. Or if you keep to the unlimited, that is also fine. Just keep to the unlimited and you have to set this, and also go over here, go to the file explorer, right click, go to the Steam and go to manage, click on the browse local files. And right now within the game installation directory, we need to delete 4 files. That is, the first one, crashreport.exe. If you find anything named crashreport.exe, you can select it and delete it. And also crash report D2, as you can see, we are having the crash report D2 over here. So right click and you have to delete it. And also we have to find shader.cache. If you find anything here, shader.cache, that can also be deleted. And also delete shader cache 2, that should be also deleted. And also one more thing, make sure that you run the .exe, or you have set in the properties, it should be set into run this program as an administrator, and go for OK, and you have to close this and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.